In the last video we have checked that how you can edit website header in your Squarespace website. Now in this video we are going to discuss how you can edit the footer in your Squarespace website. Click here, edit, then on the top edit site header, then scroll down. At the end you will see this option, edit site footer. Now you can change anything here. This one is the site title, so if you want to remove this one and you want to add the site logo, then simply you can select this one, image. You can also search for logo, so that element not exist. Click here, image, and then add the logo image from the library. You can also upload the file from your laptop, so let me select this one, click here, add. Now you can use drag and drop functionality to add it anywhere. This one is the text that we need to remove it now, this one. Then add the image again, this one. Select it from the library and select the image for the footer logo. After that, drag this image at the top so that it should look professional. Now under the logo, if you want to add anything like text, then simply you can add the text from here. Then drag it under the image. Then you can type anything, for example, enable website design. Okay, you can add anything. So this platform is very similar to the Wix platform. After that, select this one, text, and you can easily add your own text. Also you can add your own contact information. Then you can also link your email by using this option, link option.